welcome back to Morgan and Mackenzie's World. I'm Morgan, and today we made up a game.
What could it be?
Basically, so we're gonna be in the store, right? Cause we're in Ross, right? And then so we have to be quiet. We cannot touch. We cannot do nothing. You can't do nothing. You have to keep your hands to yourself. You have to be quiet. And
the first person who talk or touch or do anything, they not gonna eat.
We're not getting anything from the Walmart.
You ain't getting nothing from Walmart, no way. Okay.
Make sure y'all do that.
No, make sure y'all do that. That's what I like. Yeah, that's what I like.
Now y'all, they can't say nothing, they can't touch nothing, they can't talk, they can't do nothing. Here. Yeah, look at Mackenzie. She gonna struggle doing this because she wanna touch stuff already. Oh. You better not touch it. You better not touch it. Y'all see these little ugly shoes Mackenzie wants? Y'all, Mackenzie finna lose because she don't know how to be quiet. Where you going?
It did. And it did. It sure did. And I would tell her, and she was like,
Do it again.
She was, that was sanitizing. Yeah, she was overdoing it.
No, I don't want them.
Right.
Which ones did I try on the last time? What color was
She
them?
was overdoing it.
Uh-oh, excuse me. Y'all, who y'all think gonna be the first to touch some? Morgan or Mackenzie? You gonna be the first one to touch some? That mean you ain't gonna eat.
Wait a minute.
Touch it. If you what you gotta tell me. Oh, I'm sorry. Get out the way, Mackenzie. What you want? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You gotta talk, I can't hear you. No, Mackenzie, I'm trying to get Mackenzie to talk. Look at Morgan. You don't wanna talk? Okay, y'all. So they neither one of them talking right now. So they I gotta go where it's something they like. I gotta go where it's something they like. You almost touched him, Mackenzie. Yeah, Mackenzie's going crazy. Cause she usually be done touched everything. She be done said something. You touch Morgan? You trying to touch Morgan? You gonna be out. Oh, I found some. I found some. What? They trying not to say something, y'all. Okay, okay, okay. This as long as they done ever been quiet. Yeah, this as long as you ain't ever been quiet. Cause they don't never stop talking. Like this is like great. Yeah, I'm finna bop them. You gotta talk, Morgan. You gotta talk. Talk. Who gonna hold the shoes? Who gonna hold them? Yeah, Mackenzie almost touched them. Mackenzie almost touched the shoes. Is you touching stuff? Is you touching stuff? Okay, come on. Y'all hear that? Mackenzie made noise. Wasn't that noise? That was considered noise, huh? That was noise. Wasn't that considered noise? That was noise. You gotta hold these, Morgan. Morgan, hold this. Hold this. I got a small one. That's cute. She trying to touch it. You finna touch it? Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all. If we make it out of here, then they can talk. But we gotta make it out of here first. Okay, I think you see it. Mackenzie, you touching stuff? Okay. She's almost. I'm gonna catch her. She gonna slip up. What? Okay. Get on. Then you say you wanted a jacket? Okay. You gotta try it on. Oh, now you don't want to try it on. Why not? Why you don't want to try the jacket on?
Cashier number 5.
Mackenzie, you making noise? Here you gotta hold this. Here you go.
Cashier number 5.
She almost Mackenzie. Y'all, they made it out of the store without talking. Yeah, you can talk now. Yeah, I said if y'all make it out the store, y'all can talk. Didn't you just not hear me say that?
Okay.
See? You can talk now. Yeah, see. So, was that hard not saying something?
Not really.
Was that hard not talking and touching stuff?
Not really.
Mackenzie, was that hard for you? Mackenzie, come here.
What was that?
Was it hard?
No, it wasn't.
Y'all, we finna go in the store where she actually Morgan wants some.